Hey there, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Emily and I do mainly Salesforce tutorials on this channel, as well as some adjacent software tutorials. Today we're going to be going over how to create an inner join within a Salesforce report type. If you're not familiar with what an inner join is, I will put up a picture here, but essentially what it is you take two groups of data and any fields or records that are related to both groups of data, that's what it is going to show, and that's what's going to show up. So hopefully that explanation is helpful, but this should make a little more sense when we get into the report type. So let's go ahead and go into Setup. So I click the gear icon and went to Setup. In the quick find, I'm going to go to Report Types and double click on that. From here, I'm going to click Continue, create a new custom report type. And we can select our primary object. I'm going to select Accounts. And let's have this be example of an inner join. And then you do have to add a description. Anything in red is going to require that field. I'm going to have this live in the accounts and context category. This can either be in development or deployed. If it's deployed, it'll save you a step later, but people will be able to use it while you are creating it. So just kind of be aware of what environment you're creating this in, and if they're going to be users who are creating new reports while you are developing this report type. I'm going to select deployed because this is a sandbox environment. And from here, I'm able to select another object. It's going to be, let's go ahead and have this be contracts. So what this is going to mean, this is similar to the picture we saw earlier of an inner join. So only records that have both an account record and a contract record that are related to one another are going to show up. We can change this to not be an inner join, but I'm going to have that be an inner join. Let's go ahead and click Save. You are able to add more objects. So let's say you wanted to add opportunities into that, so then you had some opportunity information, you would be able to do that. From here, I can edit, delete, clone it, as well as edit the object relationship. So if you wanted to go back in and create a third object with your inner join, you would be able to do that, but it would only show the ones that did already have relationships. So we could add opportunities to this join. From here, now we can edit the fields available for reporting. So it looks like we have most of the fields on accounts and contracts. Let's go ahead and add some from opportunities because we had none from opportunities. So contracts, let's go ahead and go to opportunity fields and then add whichever ones we want to add. We would need to drag and drop these. I want to know amount, excuse me, if it's closed, forecast category, expected revenue, close date. Going over, let's see if we can find the stage. And tracking number is going to be very helpful. So now here I'll be able to preview the layout and see what kinds of information. You can choose if the opportunity fields are going to go to accounts or contracts. So now if I exit out of this, I'm going to click Save. And there we go. Let's go ahead and hop back into our reports. So I went back to the front end of Salesforce. Now go to New Report. And Accounts and Contacts is where it lives. Let's see. Oh, here it is. Example of an inner join. Click Continue. And if we open up to All Accounts, click Apply, and change the time frame of created date, and click the toggle on. No records are going to show up, but we can go ahead and go back and change some of the filters or create some test data. Because this isn't a test environment, it's not likely that some data will show up. That's all right, and that's how you create an inner join within Salesforce. If you found this helpful, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe if you're feeling generous today with the subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next one.